Hello and welcome. So, in the last video, we learned about arithmetic operators. Now, we are going to learn about comparison operators. So, comparison operators is nothing but they compare two values and return either true or false, right? So, let's take an example, right? The same example what we took here. We can maybe use that same example, right? And let's see what is the first one. Let's say print. I'm taking a string where I'm doing is a equals b, and let's print, right? So this is the first one. Dum, dum. Let's go with second. So just see what all operators I'm using here, right? Sorry for all the silence here. What I'm doing is I'm just entering all the operators so we understand what is going on here. So let's get started, right? We have two variables holding two values. A is 10, b is 5. The first one what we are doing here is in the first one we are checking a equals to b. So what actually we are checking is 10 is not equal to 5. So the answer is false. Important to understand here, if you see here a is equal to 10, it means a is assigned, that's an assignment. And when I talk about double equal to sign, it's more of a comparison. So we are doing a comparison here. Second one is not equal to. So this checks if two values are different. 10 is not equal to 5. So this should generally give us true. The other one is 10 is greater than 5. So it is yes, true. Similarly, 10 is 10 less than 5? No. So this should be false. Other one is greater than or equal to. So 10 is greater than or equal to 5? Yes, it's a true. And the other one is less than or equal to. So is 10 less than or equal to 5? It's no. So it is false. So let's run this. Right, so if you see what we discussed, these are all the respective values here. Comparison operators, they always return a boolean values, either true or false. So the revision here is arithmetic operators calculate values, comparison operators compare values, right? I hope this is clear. So I want you to practice more. Make sure you have these concepts clear. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.